There is a lot of noise when it comes to education. K-12 teachers report everything from classroom management to parental discussions to district policies overshadow the ultimate goal of student learning. In higher education, we find that content largely still drives the conversation, even though we know that experiences are the actual key to learning. How do we do right by our students in 2027 and beyond? We ask this question a lot at WGU. As the largest private university in the world, having graduated 5% of all new K-12 teachers across the United States last year, we are doubly concerned with learning. We have the obligation to use effective practices in teaching our students, while ensuring they know how to take those modeled practices and use them in teaching their future students as well. Join WGU's School of Education deans and chairs for this practical, hands-on workshop designed to cut through the noise and get to the heart of the science of learning. What does hands-on and practical mean? Well, it includes a few tricks and hacks for the brain. Did you know that there are specific types of light that can lead to improved assessment scores? Or that there are learning routines which involve smells that can lead to a 14% retention increase? But learning cannot be reduced to a few one-off tricks alone. To us, it comes down to efficacy. Most people have probably heard veteran teachers or tenured professors explain that there is no best method for instructing, assessing, or managing the classroom. This allows any practitioner to do anything in the classroom without a lot of accountability. But when you start to go through the research literature, much of which has been synthesized in the books you see on the screen, you see a very different argument. Did you know that at least 1/3 of students cannot learn if they do not believe that they have friends or networks? Have you seen the importance of words like conation that describe the effect of a student who does not believe in their ability to learn? Without intervention, that student cannot overcome this. Do you find yourself wrapped up in the volume of content that must be promoted, often informed more by curricular drift and bloat than by outcomes or competencies? Do you know the 5 to 6 learning strategies that work with most human beings almost all of the time, unless a learning disability is present? See, there is not an unlimited menu of good teaching practices. In fact, there are likely less than a dozen. For example, we know that there is an order of operations that works for most learners, yet most teachers and professors do not use this order of operations. EdTech is often lamented by practitioners for its misuse by students or the problematic distractions it causes, when there are really powerful, clever ways to incorporate it into the learning equation, just as there are important times to avoid it altogether. Speaking of technology, we hear the same things you do. AI is everywhere, and yet nobody really seems to know how to wrangle it. Are there ways to AI-proof assessment? We believe there are. But even more importantly, when used properly, AI can be a game changer in the learning equation, performing tasks that no human teacher or assessor can perform. All you have to do is write a single, effective prompt, and something amazing can follow. This workshop aims to look at all of this and more. We also know the painful roulette of conference workshops, and we plan to provide an experience that will help you tell your peers that they really missed out if they don't come. When we say practical, we mean giving you strategies that can be used in your very next class to promote learning. When we say science-driven, we mean learning and student success strategies across any modality that work for most students most of the time. And when we say interactive, we mean that you will have opportunities to try platforms as we model instructional practices that ask you to perform tasks that are similar to those that we believe you will want to use in your own classroom the very next day. We believe that when we use the best practices identified by neuroscience, by learning researchers, and by technology experts, we can achieve neuro-connected learning for the masses. We hope this is the kind of workshop that excites you. We hope you pick this workshop for South by Southwest EDU 2027, and we hope to see you there.